welcome to my channel. I'm Bean, and today I'm going to be talking about some cool finds that I found at TJ Maxx. So if you want to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay, so I just filmed another video and I tried out a new highlighter, and it's like making my cheeks like extra pink. Like if I go like this, it looks good, but if I like turn like this, it's like pink blobs. So, but yeah, I'm not a fan. So excuse the weird cheeks right now. I have a few things that I got at TJ Maxx. I really like, sorry, you probably just hear like a lot of bag crackling. I really like to check out TJ Maxx for makeup because sometimes they have name brand products that are either getting repackaged or they've come out with a new formula or whatever. And so they've got like really good products there for really affordable prices. So I think that's really awesome, and I like to check periodically. I know sometimes like people on Instagram will post like, oh, found this at TJ Maxx, and usually when they do that, I'm like, ooh, I'm gonna check it out. So I've gotten some stuff there before. I've gotten a lot of Anastasia stuff there. That's what I've got today. I've got 3 items from Anastasia. Yes, these are all real products. They're not fakes. So it's awesome to check out. Check your local TJ Maxx. Marshall's does the same kind of stuff. So does Nordstrom Rack. You can check out any of those places to find the same kind of stuff. But today, the things that I got are really exciting, and I'm gonna show them to you guys. And I opened all of them. I always check before I buy anything there to make sure that nobody's been in them or touched them or swatched them or anything like that. I always check the package to make sure, because you never know. They don't really have like, they're just kind of out, and so you never know if somebody's like been in them. You want to make sure they're not broken, because sometimes they do end up there because they're damaged in some way. So you do want to check that. First, I have the Anastasia Lip Palette Volume 1. I picked this up for $24.99. and it says it compares at $42. I don't know if that's the exact price on Sephora. I film on my phone, or I'd look it up right now. But this one is pristine. It even still has the plastic on it. It's got the plastic on the top, so I'm just gonna peel that off. If you open it up, it's still got the plastic packaging here. So you can tell nobody's been in it. Everything is pristine, hasn't been swatched, hasn't been touched. And so I always do check just to make sure that that is the case. This one comes with a little lip brush, and so that's included as well. It's got a little mixer on this side and a lip brush on this side. Still had the plastic on it, so it's not been messed with. So that just fits right in there. And it's got all of these shades in it. You can mix and match your own lipstick, so I think that's really exciting. It's got a whole row of nudes, pretty much like half a row of more nudes, primary colors, black, white, pink, purple. It's pretty much got everything you could want to mix and create your own lip colors. So that's really exciting, and I'm excited to give that one a try. So yeah, it comes in a nice package, and that one I pretty much got for half off, so that's exciting. The next thing that I found is this Anastasia Aurora Glow Kit. Still is in the package. This one I got for $24.99 as well. Says it compares at $42. Again, not totally sure on the price, but I'm sure it's about the same. This one still has the plastic sheet as well, and none of the colors have been swatched. You can see that. And so it's really exciting just to find products like this for half off. The lipstick palette I've kind of wanted for a while, but I was like, well, I have so many lip colors already, I can just use those. But this is really cool for mixing, and it does have a lot of these primary colors that I don't have. So finding this for half off is really cool. So it's like I paid, what I would pay to get one of these items, and I got both. So I'm always up for a deal. I don't know about you, but I am. So check out TJ Maxx to find this kind of stuff. I just love TJ. It's like, we call it, in my family, we call it TJ. We just call it TJ. We go all the time. Yeah, so I love it there. You can find clothes, home goods, all kinds of stuff at discounted prices, so that's great. The last thing that I found this time is this Anastasia Single Shadow. This one says, I got this one for $3.99. It says compare at $7, but I'm pretty sure these are more like 12 or something like that, 11 or 12, but maybe they're 7, I don't know. Anyway, still was about half off. This one is in the shade Icy. It's kind of a blue and silver, blue silver shift sort of shade. Swatch it for you. It's kind of like that. I think it'll be good for a shimmer shade or inner corner highlight, things like that. But yeah, and there were other ones too. I just only got this one. They had a lot of brown shades. One TJ was that had a purple. I also noticed that they had a lot of contour kits. I already have the Anastasia contour kit, but they had both the cream and the powder ones in all different shades. They had the light shade, the deep shade. You just kind of gotta look and check it out. I've also gotten products from other brands there. I've seen Bite Beauty there a lot. I got a dual-ended lipsticks. I would really recommend it. I think that it's awesome to check out. You can find some cool stuff there. I think I have my receipt. I paid $58 total for all of this. One of these two larger items would have been about $42 on its own. So, you know, I mean, I basically got some stuff for, like, this basically was free if I would have paid full price for these items, and some other stuff would have been definitely heavily discounted. So I love finding good deals. If you want me to post more videos like this when I find deals on makeup and that kind of stuff, let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you like these kinds of bargain hunter kind of videos. My mom's always been a bargain hunter, and so she kind of passed that on to me. So anything that I can find for a bargain is awesome. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Hit the like button if you like this video. Please take a second to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to get notifications of when I upload. I upload every Tuesday and Thursday, and I think that's it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!